Hi guys, welcome to the SQL Training Session. So in this session, we are going to learn how to configure the database mail setup in SQL Server. Okay, how we can send out a test mail to the Gmail account with the help of SQL Server. So what we are going to cover in this session are below. We'll understand first what is database mail and where we can find it. Okay, then we will see how we can configure the database mail, the complete practical approach you will see here. Then you will see how we can send the test mail to the Gmail account from the SQL Server. Then the last but not the least is we will see what are those two main settings in the Gmail accounts that you need to check before sending the email to from the SQL Server. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So let me jump to this SSMS. I have SQL Server Management Studio, and I have, if you see in my screen, so here you see there is a folder management. When you expand it, you will see here a database mail. So here you will see this option. So database is actually a functionality which is given by the SQL Server if you wanted to send out a mail. Okay, so you can send out a mail through this option. So what are the main how you can do it? So first of all, you need to configure this thing. Okay, they have provided this functionality, but you have to configure the email account to which you wanted to send out a mail. Okay, so for that there are two main things that we need to consider. First, we need to create a profile. Okay, and then we need to create a account, and then we map the account to that profile. So let me right click here. How we can do it? If you right click here, you will see the very first option is configure database mail. It is asking us to configure the database mail. So I'll click here. Okay, and it is giving me a very good configuration wizard. If you see, you can read the description. What it is saying: database mail is a SQL Server component that uses the SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol, to send email messages. Okay, this wizard helps you to perform the setup and maintenance tasks such as managing database mail accounts and profile, database mail security, and configuring database mail system parameters. Okay, so this is basically a component which uses the SMTP to send email. Okay, that we understood. Now click on next. So what it is saying, we need to set up, first of all, what we need to do here, if you see, set up a database mail by performing following tasks. Okay, so here we have three tasks that need to be performed. First, we need to create a profile and specify it SMTP accounts. Okay, you need to create a profile and you need to specify SMTP accounts. Then you need to specify the profile security, manage system parameters. Okay, so let's get started and create a new profile. So here we need to give us some meaningful name to the profile. Let's say DB sample profile. Okay, so this is a profile name. DB sample profile is used to send SMTP emails from SQL Server. Okay, so I have just given a description. It is completely optional. You don't want to give it. If you don't want to give it, it's okay. Then you need to you need to add profile may be associated with a multiple SMTP account. What does that mean? It means that one profile can be mapped to the multiple SMTP accounts. Okay, if you have multiple Gmail accounts, you can connect those Gmail account with this profile. Okay, so there is a button here, add. You need to add the account here. So see, profile we have created. Now we are going ahead and create an account name. So let me create like SQL Training Session is my account name. Okay, I leave the description. Email address where you wanted to do you want to send this mail? I wanted to send out a mail to the SQL Training Session Gmail account. So just give the Gmail email ID here. Then display name if you wanted to. So let me copy and paste it here. Reply mail. So email address and reply email. For this demonstration purpose, I'll keep the same. Otherwise, you can give the separate email IDs like the reply mail would be your Outlook mail or your Hotmail .com, and your email address can be your Gmail account. Okay. So that is fine. And the server name is smtb, as we are using the Gmail. So the server name for the Gmail is smtp.gmail.com. Okay, port number for this is 587. Okay, so why the port number is 587? Because if you can Google, you can find it. The port number of the Gmail account is 587 because the Gmail is using this port numbers. Okay, this server requires a secure connection. So let me check, take this. Now you need to provide the username and password of your Gmail account. Okay, so let me give this. Okay, now click on OK. Okay, one second. Let me try it again. Okay, here we go. So see here we can add, there is an again an option add. So if I wanted, I can add another email address account as well. Let's say I have added one more account here, a SQL kind of thing. So you have an option to add one more, more than one accounts and associated with the one profile. As of now, for the demo purpose, I have added only one email address here. Click next. Make this profile name as public and make it as default profile. Click on next. Here we go. So this is all the settings. You do not need to do anything here. Click on next. So what it is going to do, it is creating an, it has created account, then profile, account profiles, adding accounts to the profiles and manage security. Okay, then this is all. You just click on finish and here we go. Okay, so it is done. Close it. Now configuration setup is done. How we can test it? So what is next in our session? Now we need to send a test mail to Gmail account. Okay, so how we can send a test mail? Right click here, there is a second option, send test email. Okay, but before sending a test email, I want to show you there are two settings in the Gmail accounts that you need to check before sending. Because what will happen, most of the case when you send the test mail, it says that mail has been queued, but you will not be able to receive the mail in your Gmail account. So there is primarily two reason because of which it is not, you are not able to get the mail in your Gmail account, because the Gmail is specifically secured and we need to remove that setting for a while. So let me go to my Gmail SQL Training Gmail account. If you see here, and this is the option setting here. Okay, so click on here, go to settings. Okay, it will load the settings, and here this is the this is the option forwarding and POP IMP. So you need to, most of the case, if you check your Gmail account, this is disabled. Okay, so as of now it is enabled for me because I have enabled already. So what you need to do, you need to, by default it is like that, you need to click here, you need to enable this IAMP and then click on save changes. This is one setting. And the second setting is, what you need to do is you need to go to your account. Okay, click on your manage Google account here. Okay, then on left hand side you see the security, select the security, go to the down, scroll down, and here is an option less secure app access. Okay, so here's the security, you need to remove this, you need to turn on. It is actually not recommended, but if you want your Gmail account to receive the mail from the SQL server, for that you need to allow the less secure app to be turned off. So you need to on this for a while. Okay, so it is done. Close this here. Okay, go back to your database. Now we will right click here, send test email. So this is pop up, it is saying that we are sending test email from this my machine laptop. Okay, and what profile we are using, we are using this, using this profile we are sending email to which account, to which email, Gmail account, sorry, SQL Training Session account. Okay, subject, let me keep the same, and let's say I'll say thanks and regards SQL. Okay, and let me click on send test mail. See, your test mail has been queued for the processing. Click on OK here. Now go back to your Gmail account. Wait for a while. You will receive a mail. Here we go. Okay, database mail test. So if you click here, you will see this is a test email sent from the database mail from this. Thanks and regard, SQL. Okay, so this way you can configure your database mail and send a test mails to your Gmail account. So I hope you like the video, and in case you have any doubt, just ping me or just give the comments in the comment section, and I will be more happy to help you out. Thank you and have a nice day, guys.